Hi, my name is Jackson and I'm the founder of Mighty Jaxx, and I graduated from NYP SIDM in 2009. So first of all, a huge congratulations to the class of 2020. I'm very excited to see what you have in store for us on your Fusion portfolio. So I remember my time in Fusion 2009. I actually helped out to shoot photographs of the whole event. And thereafter, I quickly started Mighty Jaxx and really went to every Fusion year after year, really excited about finding the most raw talent, people that we can work with, and people generally with a much more open mind, to develop something together. So even until now, every year I will go by and check out every single portfolio that you have in store for us at the event. I'm really excited that this year we are able to dive straight into Fusion online. And what saves a lot of time is walking through the different aisles, and instead of that, I'm able to browse through different portfolios with a click of a button. So personally, I'm really excited when it's launched. I'll be the first to get in there and check out all your portfolios. See you at Fusion!
Fusion 2020, yo!